Hi there, welcome to my channel, Top Notch with Amreen. I am an IGCSE teacher as well as an IELTS coach with 15 years of teaching experience. My personal band for IELTS exam is 8 with a 9 in the speaking component. Today I will be updating learners about attempting IGCSE English as a Second Language Paper 2. Following syllabus code 0510. Let's look at exercise 1 for paper 2, which is reading and writing. For this exercise, students need to read a web page, a blog, or an article in order to answer a total of 9 questions. In order to score a full mark on this exercise, you need to answer each question either as a single word or a short phrase. What makes this exercise really easy to attempt is that all the questions follow the order of the text, except the last question, which is question number 9. So, how do we proceed? Match the word in the question with the correct information given in the passage and copy-paste the answer. No need to rephrase. No need to look for a synonym. For reference, let's look at question number 1. The answer is commander. It's a single word answer and it's perfectly acceptable for the examiner, and you will receive a mark of 1 for this answer. Remember, no cutting and no overwriting is allowed. If you are unsure of an answer, simply write it down in pencil and recheck it after completing the rest of the answers. Now, let's look at question number 5 here. It is asking the student to find 2 pieces of information. Make sure you write each piece of information on a different line. You will lose 1 mark if both pieces of information are correct but written on the same line. Let's look at question number 9 now. This is the last question of this exercise and it requires a holistic view of the whole passage. You need to look for 4 pieces of relevant information. These pieces of information may vary from a single word to a short phrase. Each piece of information will be written on a different line. Remember, if you write this answer in the form of a paragraph, you will receive a mark of 0. Now let's tackle 2 of the most common questions that students ask me about this exercise. The first question being, can I score a full mark of 13 on 13? And my answer is yes. Question number 2. How much time should I spend on this question? You should never spend more than 15 minutes on this question. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly leave a thumbs up for me to show encouragement. And you may subscribe to my channel to receive the next video that I will be uploading very shortly. Good luck for your exam and bye-bye.